Papercrafty friends. It's Megan Elizabeth from bymeganelizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. And I hope that this is actually working today because we went live for She Makes Club yesterday and it just wasn't loving me. Some days it just feels like the technology doesn't share the same love that we share here, but that's okay. I wanted to join you guys, come live, say hello, because I have a couple pieces of news and information that I know, especially my Papercraft friends and my Cricut friends are going to want to know about, especially since it's free, or at least there's a free option. I wanted to, why can't I do this? Can I just share? Nope, doesn't want me to share. If you jump on and you want to comment, like, share, feel free. Always helps the Facebook jam to keep up with us. So, um, come on, open up. You've got this. I think it's working. Never know. Never can tell. Okay. How are you doing today? I just feel like sometimes this takes a whole other world, a whole other life some days. Well, I see that people are joining, so I'm assuming that we are working and everything is good. So, hello. I hope you're enjoying the moments. I hope that life is going amazing for you right now. Um, but I do want to give a second and then I'm going to jump right in on what actually is happening. I don't quite understand where this is going. Good grief. Okay. I know you're getting bored. You're like, hey, what's happening? What are you doing? Are you going to talk to us today, Megan Elizabeth? Yes, I am. Okay. I don't know. Hopefully I can see your comments because it just doesn't seem to want to open comments or anything like that. But that's okay. We're going to have a conversation outside of my computer deciding whether or not it wants to open comments for the day. Thanks for joining. Hi. I wanted to talk to you guys about the upcoming 2021 Papercraft Summit. This is with Rebecca Page, and there are more than 40 classes that are going to be taught from August 16th through August 20th. All Papercraft inspiration, everything from Cricut projects to scrapbook layouts to card making. I mean, you name it, Papercrafts. It's probably included in this really fun, inspirational summit. It's less than 6 days away. I mean, I think you have 6 days to sign up for free still. And it's a completely from August 16th through August 20th, completely free to participate live and have so much fun creating. I'm teaching 2 classes in this summit. One is a scrapbook page with my favorite hidden journaling, and I teach a whole bunch of shared screen Cricut tips and ways to make certain things happen with welding and slicing in your design space. So that's part of one of the classes, and it's broken out into like a bunch of smaller like chunks so you can like watch it as you want. And then the second class is doing some of my favorite solo wood flowers, and then making a really fun DIY home decor piece using solo wood flowers and your Cricut and scrapbook paper and just all those fun things. So those are my 2 classes that are part of the 40 plus classes that are over this 4 day period. 16th through the 20th is 4 days. 16th, it like 6 is in my head today for some reason. But it is the 16th through the 20th of this month. So you don't have a whole lot of time left to sign up, get the emails, get all the fun stuff. I wanted to give you another heads up to say it is a completely free event for the time that we're live. So like when my class schedule comes up and the time comes up, I'll post it up by meganelizabeth.com. And of course I'll post it on social media. You'll be able to see different places. So you can watch them for free. And it's not just my classes. It's like really like 30 something amazing artists from all over the world. Like it's pretty darn cool what they put together and what this Papercraft Summit is all about. I was very honored to be asked to be a part of it. So something that they are offering is a VIP access experience, which is a $1,400 value. You get to watch the replays at your convenience. So say you can't be there all live for the entire 16th through the 20th. You can watch after its premiere date and have access to it. I believe it's unlimited. It might be only 1 year, but I believe it's unlimited access. Maybe it's just unlimited access for a year. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about, and I probably should stop on that particular part of the situation. But you can read all the details in the links that I posted in the comments and description of this video, because I'm going to be posting this on YouTube also. So I'll make sure I leave the link to sign up for free. And then once you put in your name and email address to sign up for free, you can choose whether or not you want to select the VIP upgrade. It's $59. And I don't think you can do it from the 16th on. Again, not positive. I should be more positive than I am on some of these details. However, Rebecca Page people are incredible at putting together well-organized packaged information. The classroom pages that they've sent me, everything. They are so put together and professional. It's amazing. And I got to do what I love best, which is talk to you on camera and make beautiful things that mean something to us, and tell our story. And that's what that was all about. All about in the summit. I can't wait for you to see it. So I didn't have to come up with all these details and make sure everything was working properly. I'm just getting to be an incredible opportunity and honored to be one of their many instructors for this large 2021 Papercraft Summit event. They usually have well over 50,000 participants for every summit that they do. I'm new to the Rebecca Page family, but like I said, they're amazing. So I know, like, it's a free event and I know what kind of work goes into this. And you're going to get so much more upgrading to the VIP, which is just, I mean, it's a little bit more than $1 a class if you break it down with how many classes that you're getting. So it's a pretty awesome thing. And then you have the bonuses, and like I said, it's like a $1,400 value. So I do know that much, and that's all going, like, that's the Rebecca Page like setup. But again, you don't have to spend $59 to be part of the Papercraft Summit and have fun with all that we're going to be doing. So I just wanted to give one more reminder, because I know we talked about it a few times. I put up a picture on Instagram and we did a little story over there. And then I put some stuff up on the blog at bymeganelizabeth.com. And I just wanted to give like one more reminder, since we are literally coming down to next Monday is our launch day, and it'll be from Monday through Friday. Wow, it's 5 days. It's not even, I don't know where my numbers and my math are coming from today. I feel like this is like a continuation of yesterday. We had She Makes Live, and I thought it was so fun. And we had such, like, the whole topic and the theme was about growth and the areas in life that, you know, we are growing in. We can celebrate areas of growth. You know, there were so many different aspects to it, and we really just had a lot of fun creating. And I was telling the story about our sunflowers that are planted here at our house, and the growth. And the quote that I found about sunflowers, you know, they face the sun, but in order to get there, they had to go through a lot of dirt. And I think that that's just so true. And I think we miss that a lot. And we had a really great conversation about that last night at She Makes Club. And then we had made the 2-page layout, and we used that quote and drew it with the cricket, is what I'm trying to say. And there was something else. We made some cards. Anyway, it just felt like nothing was working out. Like it was like I was getting confused, and I don't know why I was getting confused. And then the technology stopped working, and I'm like, why in the world am I like, why do I have all this technology if I can't even get the tech to work? Like, what the tech, man? QVC segment. If you know, you know. Anyway, but now, like, today feels like it's continuing that way also. So I'm just like, okay, it's fine. Get it together. Get it together. Anyway, so like I said, I just wanted to give you the reminder and the details. The videos are totally edited from the standpoint of, you'll get step by step, like, here's step 1, here's step 2, here's what you do next, complete supply list. They put it all together, and it's incredible. Like I said, the Rebecca Page, if you've not heard of Rebecca Page before, I had not before they reached out to me asking me if I'd be interested in being a guest instructor for their upcoming Papercraft Summit. And when I started looking into it, I was like, holy cow. And then when I started having conversations with the team, like we would have video calls and I'm like, oh my word, you guys are incredible. And I'm so honored and excited to be a part of this. So a lot of what Rebecca Page is known for or has done is more like the sewing world and like patterns and stuff like that. And I was very unfamiliar because I'm not sewing and Megan. It's just not, that's not my craft forte. Let's just put it that way. Um, so, I had heard, through other people, like they're really great. They're doing this Papercraft Summit, you should come check it out, blah, blah, blah. Like, okay, cool. So when I started like getting into it with them, and this has been going on, it was like funny because I was even on the phone with a girlfriend and she's like, I feel like you've been preparing for this summit for like months. That isn't over yet. And I was like, no, but like it's so thorough and awesome. And like they're just packing in so much incredible value for the papercraft world in this Papercraft World Summit that they're doing. It's virtual and it's free. Like I already said, August 16th through the 20th. Details are in the comments and in the description, but if you want to visit bit.ly/papercrafts summit with the P, the C, and the S capitalized. Oh, wait, I could actually add that in here. Let's add that into this box so that you know what we're talking about. How about we do, nope, that's not what I wanted it to do. Let's try this. Let's do, oh boy, bit.ly/ I should have put it up on here to begin with. Paper crafts. I can't spell. Summit. I should have done this before. Throw it on up. There we go. There we go. All right. That is the link, you guys. Oh, did I freeze? Did I freeze on everybody and I'm still talking? Oh, come on. I never know anymore. I just don't know. I don't know. It says I'm still live. Oh, no, it says but. Oh, my gosh. See, I still messed it up. Still messed it up. See? Darn you thing. A they. Bit. Not but. Bit. Oh, my goodness. They. Thank you so much. The amazing and wonderful autocorrect for not giving the right information. I am frozen. All right. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. All right, guys. I don't know why it's frozen. It sounds like I'm still talking, but again, have a great day. Enjoy the moments. I'll come back and make with you really soon. Bye.